Out here with the ladies, y'all. If y'all seen on my last reels, Iverson, the blue stud I got up for stud right now. He's going to every single one of them. He's going her to Nova on her next heat, which should be coming up soon, y'all. We're gonna have some fucking monsters. And then when they get of age, Iverson going to them. Ice Spice, the new puppy I got coming, she more of a micro, y'all, so I don't know if I want to take her to big ass Iverson. Been thinking about some other little micro studs out there like Indiana Bones. Yeah, we out here, y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Support's free, y'all. Support is free.